This ANYSECU Inrico T310 4G radio combines nationwide push-to-talk coverage with a compact 2 and 4/10-inch display and physical keypad that is easy to use with gloves. Its rugged housing, rated to handle everyday dust and splashes, and tested for 1-meter drops, makes it well-suited to demanding work environments. Dual micro SIM support, wide cellular band compatibility, and dual-band wireless network connectivity give this radio excellent flexibility for staying connected in different regions and networks. The dedicated top-mounted torch with a one-touch shortcut key is surprisingly practical, providing quick light for inspections, night shifts, or emergency use without reaching for a separate flashlight. A loud front-facing speaker, noise-reducing microphone, and long-lasting 2,800 mAh battery allow clear communication through a full work shift. Running a stable Android system with support for popular push-to-talk applications and expandable storage, the T310 works as a versatile network radio platform rather than just a basic two-way handset.